When you search for stand mixers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer caught my eye right away with its vibrant pistachio color and solid build. Priced at $499.95, this mixer sits at the higher end, but if you want professional mixing performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in one go. That means no more batch cooking for your baking marathons. The 10 speeds give you flexibility, whether you're gently folding in ingredients or whipping cream to perfection. Plus, the tilt head design makes it super easy to add ingredients without making a mess. Honestly, the 59 touch points around the mixing bowl ensure everything gets mixed thoroughly, so you won't end up with lumps in your batter. It's no wonder over 700 of these have been bought in the past month. Now, some people complained about the price tag. Here's the thing though, for serious bakers or home cooks, the performance justifies the investment. If you bake frequently or in larger quantities, this mixer will save you time and effort. This is perfect for you if you're an avid baker or someone who loves to host parties with homemade goodies. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual mixer for occasional use. But if you want something that can handle any task, KitchenAid is a solid choice.
Product number 2, Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Classic Stand and Hand Mixer, which is priced at just $62.95. This caught my attention because it's a great budget-friendly option without sacrificing too much functionality. If you want a straightforward mixer for everyday tasks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. This mixer has 290 watts of peak power and offers 6 speeds, making it versatile enough for everything from mixing thick dough to whipping egg whites. The bowl rest feature is a nice touch too, allowing you to set the mixer down safely while adding ingredients. With over 400 purchased recently, it seems like a popular choice among those looking for simplicity. Now, some users mentioned that it feels a bit less sturdy compared to pricier models, but here's the thing. For everyday baking and mixing, it does the job just fine. It's perfect for anyone who doesn't want to spend a fortune but still needs reliable performance. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in baking or need a mixer for small tasks. Skip this one if you're looking for heavy-duty mixing or large batches, but it's a fantastic value for the price.
Product number 3, Martha Stewart 5.3 Cute Stand Mixer. The Martha Stewart 5.3 Cute Stand Mixer caught my eye at $149.99. Its sleek linen white design and 12-speed options make it stand out in the market. If you want more control over your mixing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. The 12 speeds allow for precise mixing, whether you're kneading bread dough or whipping cream. It also comes with a dough hook, whisk, and beater, plus a splash guard to keep your kitchen clean. The 5.3 quart capacity means you can tackle larger recipes without worrying about overflow. With 300 recent purchases, it's clearly appealing to many home bakers. Now, some users found it a bit noisy during operation. Here's the thing though, for the results you get, I think the noise is a minor inconvenience. If you're serious about your baking, this mixer delivers exceptional results that make the extra noise worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy baking regularly and need a reliable mixer with plenty of options. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact or quieter, but it's a solid investment.
Product number 4, Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Mixer. The Kitchen in the Box 3.2 QT Small Electric Food Mixer is another affordable option. Its lightweight, portable design makes it appealing for those who may not have a lot of counter space. If you're after simplicity and portability, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. This mixer features 6 speeds and comes with a whisk, dough hook, and flat beater, making it versatile for daily use. The smaller 3.2 quart capacity is ideal for smaller households or occasional baking. Plus, it's lightweight, so you can easily store it away when not in use. With 30 recent purchases, it's getting some traction among casual bakers. Now, some buyers mention that it lacks the power of larger mixers. Here's the thing. For light mixing tasks or smaller batches, it works perfectly fine. If you're not baking every day or making huge batches, this might just be the right fit for you.
This is perfect for you if you need a simple, no-frills mixer for light tasks. Skip this one if you regularly bake large quantities or need something more powerful, but it's a good choice for occasional use.
Product number 5, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. We have the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer, priced at $119.99. I found this one appealing with its 4-quart capacity and 7-speed options. If you want a reliable mixer without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters. With a powerful 300-watt motor, it can mix thick batters and doughs with ease. The planetary mixing action means you get complete bowl coverage, so no ingredients are left uncombined. Plus, it comes with a dough hook, flat beater, and whisk, everything you need to get baking. With over 200 recent purchases, it's clear that many are finding value here. Now, some people noted that it's a bit bulkier than expected. Here's the thing. If you have space for it and are looking for solid performance, it's a great trade-off. It does the job well and offers good value for money compared to higher-end brands. This is perfect for you if you want something that can handle a variety of baking tasks without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you have limited counter space or need something super compact, but it delivers excellent performance.
The Kitchenaid Artisan is a top choice for serious bakers, while the Hamilton Beach Classic is perfect for beginners. The Martha Stewart mixer offers precision, the kitchen-in-the-box mixer is great for light tasks, and the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer strikes a balance between power and affordability. Each has its strengths, so pick the one that best fits your needs.